No, you should do a
That's good.
At least a full 180
Will do a 180.
No.
I don't think it's possible to infinitely do it. Yeah, even William can't.
He's trying.
Try to. Try harder. Try hard like you're playing League of Legends.
Oh, it could be a secondary one like below it.
Oh, no, don't do that. You scare your mom.
Do
trying
a
to do a-
spin.
He's trying to make it last longer.
No bueno.
What if you
William,
just
do a full 180 spin.
No.
That's what I was doing.
No.
I was. Didn't you see me? I was like,
No. You're twisting back and forth.
yeah, that's 180 spin.
Is that a 180?
A spin, not yeah. 180 is
Like that?
180 is like going this into
Not
this.
babies. You're making the cord do weird things. Stop it.
You're supposed to do weird things. It's swinging. Look at that. That's normal.
That's not normal.
That is not normal.
I'll have you know, it's very normal.
You should not be going.
How dare you? Once again, how dare you? It's very normal. We should let William do that. We can always make another one of him.